Okay, here we're going to talk about when we have what I call exponents on exponents, especially when they're rational exponents or fractional exponents. If you go up here, you see in the very top right-hand corner, I have my law 6 of exponents, which says that when you have a quantity or an exponent with an exponent on the exponent, is what I call it, you actually end up multiplying exponents. So what's going to happen here is this x to the fifth to the 8th seventh power, I'm simply going to take 2/5 times 8 over 7. And to multiply fractions, you simply multiply numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator, or basically 2 times 8 is 16 over 35. Pretty straightforward. This next one's a little more difficult because we also have into effect we have law 6 in play, and we also have law 5 in play because we have two terms here, right? So we also have the law 5 and 6 in play. One last thing about law of exponents, the order you do law of exponents won't matter. It's the same result every time. But I'm going to separate the 4 to both. So basically I'm going to have negative 4 to the 4th power. Now be careful when you do this. This is not 4 to the 4th power, make it negative. This is negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4, which will be a positive value. And then I'm going to take this 1/4 to the 4th power, and the negative 4 is positive 256. And that's the same as 4 over 1. Cancels out, so I have 256x. Be careful about the negatives, all right? It's the only way you can get a negative when you do an exponent is if the exponent is odd. So just to be aware of that. Now, here we have, just like we had before, both rule 5 and rule 6. If I move my little screen there, you can see rule 5, rule 6. So I'm going to take 3 to the 5th and 3/4 to the 5th, or 5 over 1. Now, 3 to the 5th, I believe, is 243. You can go to the calculator or a table and chart I've made. And then I'm going to take 3/4 times 5 over 1, because you just multiply this, which makes it 15 over 4. So the answer here is 243x to the 15 over 4.